Everybody knows how important heart health is to your overall well-being and longevity. But there's a part of the circulatory system that's incredibly vital in maintaining the health of your blood vessels. Today we're taking a look at the endothelium and what its role is and how you can help protect it. Stay tuned. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. My name is Gary Carlson. I'm a health researcher and therapist, and I make videos on all aspects of human health. So today we're talking about the endothelium. It's one of the most important parts of the cardiovascular system. It plays a critical role in maintaining the health of your blood vessels, which directly impacts heart health and overall circulation. And when the endothelium becomes damaged, it can lead to serious conditions like atherosclerosis, heart attacks, and strokes. So protecting it is essential for preventing cardiovascular diseases and keeping your blood vessels functioning properly. The endothelium is a thin layer of cells that lines the inside of blood vessels and lymphatic vessels. It acts as a protective barrier between the blood and the surrounding tissues. This layer is made up of a single sheet of flat cells called endothelial cells. And these cells are tightly connected and rest on a thin supporting layer, which gives the vessels structure while allowing certain substances to pass through. The endothelium is vital for many functions in the body. It controls what moves in and out of the blood, helps blood vessels open and close, supports blood clotting when it's needed, and also plays a role in the immune system. It also helps form new blood vessels, which is important for healing and growth. And one of its most important jobs is releasing chemicals that keep blood vessels relaxed and open. For example, the endothelium produces nitric oxide, which helps lower blood pressure by relaxing the vessel walls. But when the endothelium gets damaged, it can cause serious health problems. Damage can happen from things like high blood pressure, high cholesterol, smoking, diabetes, and long-term inflammation. And if the endothelium is injured, it may not function properly. This can make the vessel walls more leaky, allowing harmful substances to build up inside the blood vessels, which is why a damaged endothelium plays such a big role in atherosclerosis, a condition where fatty deposits or plaques build up inside the arteries. This narrows the arteries, reduces blood flow, and increases the chance of heart attacks and strokes. In heart disease, the damaged endothelium contributes to the growth and instability of arterial plaques. This can trigger dangerous events like blockages in blood flow that can lead to heart attacks and strokes. And when the endothelium stops producing enough nitric oxide, blood vessels can become stiff and inflamed, which makes the problem worse. So keeping the endothelium healthy is important for preventing heart disease and other problems. So what can we do about it? Eating a balanced diet with lots of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and rich in omega-3 fatty acids can help protect it. There's also specific foods like watermelon, pomegranate, and beets that help with nitric oxide production. Just make sure to mix these well with saliva to start the process. Regular exercise is also key to a healthy endothelium because physical activity improves blood flow and encourages the production of helpful chemicals like nitric oxide. And of course, avoiding smoking and cutting back on alcohol can reduce damage caused by inflammation and harmful molecules, which are bad for the endothelium. If you have conditions like high blood pressure or diabetes, managing them through lifestyle changes and medication is essential to prevent further damage to the blood vessels. Some research shows that antioxidants found in supplements and certain foods might also help support the endothelium. But it's always best to talk to a doctor before starting supplements. So this single layer of cells that you may never have heard of is critical to your heart and overall circulation. And taking good care of it with healthy habits, nutrition, and proper medical care can go a long way in preventing heart disease and keeping your blood vessels strong and healthy. Damage to the endothelium is one of the critical factors in the development of heart disease. So it's very important to be aware of what you can do to help maintain the health of your endothelium and your circulatory system in general. Thanks for watching, and be well.